All right, it's a real Bobo setup. I actually got my phone leaned up in the little grips that you use when you solder something. I'll show you at the end of the video how I got it. But I want to make a video of how you reverse these servos. So you back out these screws, right? Pull them out. You pull this up. So you got the positive wire, the negative wire, where they attach on the board. You want to put the blue one where the red one's at, the red one's where the blue one's at. Then on the back side, you have these, separate it so you can see. These are for the rheostat. You want to put this one, unsolder it, and unsolder this one. And then you want to take this one, move it over here, solder it. Take this one, move it over here and solder it. So when you reverse these two, and reverse the red and the blue, this servo will run backwards. So I did not have the forethought that I'm going to need that little gripper that's holding my phone to hold these teeny tiny wires while I do this soldering. But at least I made a video to show you what's inside the AS-1 axial. This comes on the axial. I don't know if this is a Spectrum servo or if this was a axial. It says axial. But I'm going to reverse two more. I got two more here for putting four-wheel steering on a car. So now I will show you. That's what was holding my phone. But I need these little grippers to hold wires so I can do the soldering. So I'm going to do some soldering and I'll be right back. You see them, the wires coming in from the servo lead? Don't reverse those, okay? Because the one on the end is ground and the other one is signal. You will mess up. Do not reverse the servo wires. Only the black ones and just the two on the ends and the two motor wires, okay? So let me go and do that. You can see that little blue wire and red wires crisscrossed right there. And this back here is crisscrossed too. But it'll go back together pretty easy. Let's see if I can put this back in here. I'll show it going back together maybe. This is terrible. That ain't helping. There. All right. Yeah, push it back down there. It don't really secure in too good. You have a little cutout in that, and the other side is flat. So you put the cutout right there. Make sure you get it lined up so you don't cut the wires with the plastic. There we go. Got it. And then put the little screws back in. This is terrible. I apologize for my terrible camera work. Anyway, you get the idea what's going on.
about is breaking his silence, and he's distancing himself from his daddy.
Joe Biden's father, some cover up. Do you think Jake Tapper's telling the truth when he says that I was the acting?
I think you're going to hear Fox News running in the background. That's funny. Oh, just background noise. I always have the TV on.
Okay, you asked one person to go on the record that would ever tell you that I was in any way making a single decision about anything.
I don't wish to
as far away as I possibly
promote a political ideology in my crawler video, but anyway, okay, and that's it. And now it'll run backwards. I got 2 of them.